Welcome to your piano lesson. If you're here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda. If you want to discover interesting facts about me, you can watch an introduction video of the channel. I'm leaving the link in the description below. If you like the content of my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I'm aiming to publish 2 weekly tutorials. Now let's dive into the lesson. Today is time for one more arpeggio. Today I want to show you how to play the B major arpeggio. I don't know if you have noticed that every single lesson, every single Saturday, I am adding a new arpeggio and I'm moving on the right side of the circle of fifths. I started from the C major, then G major, then D major, A major, E major with 4 sharps. Now today I'm adding the B major with 5 sharps. I still consider the B major, same as few more arpeggios that I'm going to share with you, I'm still considering standard fingering arpeggios, because I like to call standard fingering arpeggios the ones starting from a white key. Which ones are the notes that we need? As usual, we need the first, third and the fifth note of the major scale, Obviously today of the major scale, because we are still talking about major arpeggio. And the fingers, same story. The right hand will be using 1, 2 and 3, same as for the previous ones, and the left hand, in this specific case of the B major, will be using 5, 3 instead of 4, 2 and then 1 to carry on. On the right side, the little finger will be used just to end 1 octave. Then to play 2 octaves or more, we do 1, 2, 3, thumb passage, and we use the little finger just to end. But let's play it now, let's dive into the lesson. So B major arpeggio, 1 octave with the right hand, and as I mentioned we use the first, the third and the fifth note of the scale, because this is the B major scale. We skip the second, we take the third, skip the fourth and take the fifth. The fingers are 1, 2, 3, and we use the 5 to end the first octave. Now, the B major played with the right hand again, but 2 octaves, and I move maybe 1 octave down to help the camera. So I'm applying the thumb passage. Now I'm playing the B major with the left hand, 1 octave. As mentioned in the previous videos, I confirmed today that today I'm using the third finger, because in between the first and the second note I have 2 white keys, and I prefer to suggest everybody to use the third in these cases. If it was just 1 white key, like we will discover as soon as we will study the B minor, you will use the fourth, because there is just one. But now, third, because there are 2 white keys. Here we are. So 1 octave, it's 5, 3, 2 and 1. B major, now 2 octaves with the left hand. I start even from 1 octave lower. As you have noticed, you have to apply the crossing over the thumb with the third to reach the D sharp. You readjust, and then when you go down, you have to apply the thumb passage. Now time to play 1 octave, hands together. And now 2 octaves, hands together. As I did explaining the previous ones, the best exercises I suggest everybody to improve the thumb passage and the crossing over the thumb are exactly these. So the first time you pause on the note before the thumb passage. This is method number 1, but reaching the key that you need. The second method will be the one of pausing on the note played by the thumb, but placing immediately the finger on the following key. The third method will be the one of pausing on the note straight after the thumb. This is what you will need also to go down with the left hand. Regarding the crossing over the thumb, we use the left hand to make it easy. So you pause first of all on the thumb. Obviously it's needed just from 2 octaves going onwards. So you pause first of all on the thumb. This is method number 1. And you prepare, get ready with the finger that is to play the following note. This is method number 1. Method number 2 will be the one of pausing on this key, the note straight after the thumb, the crossing over the thumb. And the third method will be the one of pausing on this note. This way will be all empowered. That's all I suggest my students, and that's all I want to suggest you as well. Let me know if you are appreciating these lessons, if you're applying my method. If it's the first time you're landing on my channel thanks to this video, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. All the best.